Meet the palm cockatoo, one of the smartest parrots on Earth. The snake tries its best to make the bird go away. Instead of simply flying away, it snapped off a stick and flew back toward its nest. A snake was trying to invade the nest, but instead of giving up, the cockatoo grabbed its wooden weapon. Then something incredible happened. It picked up sticks one by one and repeatedly placed them inside the nest. The snake eventually backed away, and the fearless palm cockatoo returned to protect its home.